I regularly write blogs, but the main pain point in writing the blogs, first of all, is getting the correct title. So I know the blog topic, the target audience, the keywords, and the content type. But generating the SEO-friendly blog title is the main issue. So to solve this problem, I've created this amazing automation, and first I'm just going to show you how this automation is going to run. So let's say whenever I'm going to enter the blog topic, target keyword, audience, content type, instantly 5 SEO friendly titles will be generated and added right over here. And you know what I have to do? I just have to sit back and relax, and within seconds and in real time 5 SEO friendly blog titles are generated and added. Not only this, once again I'll just show you. So let's say I'm going to delete this and I'm going to enter this once again, the blog topic, target keyword, audience, and content type. Once again, within seconds and in real time, the generated titles will be added right over here. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, then watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can generate up to 100 of titles for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. The discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can check this out and you can get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. The discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this discount coupon code. So now you're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets, so search for it and select it. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection, and after you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions that is asking for, and create this connection because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now we have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Now what you have to do is, first of all, let's just clear all the generated titles. Alright, now what you have to do is go on this extensions, add-ons, and then go to this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. Now it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So to get this, just open your workflow and this is the webhook URL. Alright, so just copy and paste this same webhook URL. And now for the trigger column, enter your trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is D. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is D because I want to send 4 details towards my webhook URL, which is towards my workflow. If you want to send 3 details, for you, the trigger column will be C. If you want to send 5, it will be E, and so on. It totally depends upon your spreadsheet. After entering both of these details, click on this submit. And now it is saying setup configured. So successfully. This means that we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, click on this send test button. It is saying test data sent successfully, so it is saying that it has sent this first row towards my workflow. Alright, so let's open our workflow, and as you can see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. This is the proof of the successful connection. Now what we have to do is we have to generate the SEO friendly blog titles using these same details, and in order to generate these I am going to use Google Gemini. So click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini and select the same right over here. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. After you open your Google AI Studio, from the left end of the site you have to go to this get API key section and then click on this create API key. Name your key, select the project and click on this create key button, and your key will be created. Once your key is created, just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Click on this save, and your Google Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the text, which will be the prompt. So let's enter the prompt right over here. I'm just going to copy it from my previous workflow. I have copied this from my previous workflow. If you want this prompt, we have attached the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can directly copy my prompt from there. This is a very useful prompt. If you want, you can definitely get it from there. So now you can see that I've successfully entered this prompt over here, and now in this prompt I am just going to enter the details, which is the blog topic, target keyword, audience and the content type. But over here is a hack that we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, what you have to do is first of all you have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. After entering this prompt, select the model and then the method as generate content and click on the save and send test request. You can select any another model of your choice too. Same goes for the prompt. I've entered the prompt according to my own use case and needs. You have to customize this according to yours own. Now once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying here are 5 SEO friendly blog titles for your how-to guide. So as you can see that we have successfully received the 5 SEO friendly blog titles. Now let's just add them into our Google Sheets. For that you just have to click on this add new action step. We have recently created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, right? So select the application as Google Sheets, event as update cell value and click on this connect. And now click on this select existing connection and then save, because we have recently created this connection. Now what you have to do is you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here. After this it is asking for the range that needs to be updated. So this is the range which needs to be updated, which is E2. I want to add the generated title in E2, but right now it is E2, but with every new response it is going to change. It will be E3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. But you may notice that this E is going to remain constant, only this row is going to change. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep this E as constant, which is we're going to enter it manually, but we're going to map the row because the row is going to change. So put a slash and then map the row. So I've entered the column manually and the row as dynamic because I have mapped it. Now for the value, put a slash and then map the content which Gemini generated and click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details are added right over here. After this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now, like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever we're going to enter all of these details till this D column within seconds and in real time, this workflow is going to run and it is going to generate me the SEO titles and add them back again into Google Sheets. But over here is a hack that you have to keep in mind, and this is very useful in order to run this workflow in real time. You have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is sent on event. If this button is not switched on, this workflow is not going to run in real time. It is very important that you switch on this button. Now whenever a new event is going to occur in your spreadsheet, automatically the details will be sent towards your webhook URL. I'll show you how. So this is the new event which occurred. In the trigger column D, we have added the details. Now these details will be sent towards our workflow, and within seconds and in real time, top 5 SEO-friendly blog titles will be generated using Gemini and added right over here. And yes, all of this is going to happen in background. We don't have to do anything because this workflow is going to run in background only. We just have to sit back and relax. So let's just wait till it is generating the titles over here, because my workflow is running perfectly fine, and you are going to see that within seconds and in real time these 5 titles are generated. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.